Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to demonstrate how to use the AI tools from Runway to transform text into incredible videos. Runway is a leading applied AI research company that is revolutionizing the fields of art, entertainment, and human creativity. With text-to-video generation, you can bring your wildest ideas to life in any style you can imagine. The possibilities are truly limitless. First, we need to create an account for it. Once we create an account, then log in to your Runway account and navigate to the Runway dashboard. Click on Gen2 to access the powerful text-to-video generation feature. Here, you'll find a simple prompt box where you'll encounter a simple yet powerful prompt box. Just type in what you want to generate. For example, you can enter street scene in the afternoon with a sunset over the trees, a road leading away, a few cars parked around, rain falling, cinematic feeling. Then you can adjust additional settings such as the seed value or enable upscaling and interpolation for your generation. Once you are ready, click on Previous. Runway will generate 4 clips for you to choose from. Simply select the one you like and click the Generate This button. Now let's take a look at the final result. The video quality is fantastic, and I'm highly satisfied with the results. My only feedback is that it's a bit short, only 4 seconds in length. Once the video is generated, you can rate your creation, which helps the Runway team improve Gen 2. You can also download it to your computer. Your video will automatically be saved to your Assets folder. If you need some inspiration, you can explore the Gen 2 inspiration feed below the prompt bar and remix existing prompts. For instance, we selected a group of people walking down a street at night with umbrellas, stores with windows, and a bicycle in a Danish village as our prompt without any additional text. The generated video looks remarkable, and I would give it a 5-star rating. You can also upload your own initial image to generate the video. We'll leave that option open for you to explore. I hope this demonstration has sparked your creativity and shown you the incredible potential of Runway's text-to-video capabilities. Let your imagination soar and enjoy creating amazing videos with Runway. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content.